In this video, you will learn how to create WhatsApp group link. The process is really simple and it is similar for Android as well as for iOS devices. So nothing to worry about if you are on Android. First, make sure that you're connected with the internet, and once you're connected with the internet, tap and open your WhatsApp application. So once you have opened your WhatsApp application, tap on that particular group of which you want to create group link. After that, tap on group name and this will open your group info. Scroll down below in group info, and here you can see the option of invite to group via link. Tap on that option. So now you can see that a link has been generated. You can tap on share link to directly share it through WhatsApp, and you can also copy this link. I am going to copy this link. Tap on second option and this link has been copied to clipboard. Now you can paste it anywhere, like you can paste it to other social media accounts, for example Facebook and Instagram, and you can also paste it in your Instagram bio, or you can send it in your inbox to invite more people to your group. So this was the process by which you can create WhatsApp group link. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe before leaving. Thanks.